morning, everybody. Top of the 10:58 a.m. Early for us today. Where is my music? That's part of streaming. You? Muted. Okay, we got some music going. There's our trading platform. We're just walking up algorithmically. Interestingly, there's no rips level in the middle here, but clearly there was a little bit of a... Look at this. Clearly something going on right here on the 175, but I wonder if I can do a little dotted one. This is an Ian level. It's not a rips level. All right, we're pushing into the 740. I think we're here at the top. I did not take this trade. I took the trades all the way along here to the 210 level, and then I did not take the 210 to 260 trade, even though I saw it was over here in SPY. It was the prior day high, test, base, pop, new high of day. However, we are definitely not the most bullish on the day. We've got resistance levels all up ahead. That's the weekly open and the Monday high, both waiting for us up there. So this is now Thursday and Thursday. Okay, here this is Friday. So we did all-time highs on Thursday the 26th. Dumped with a doji, dumped again with a doji. That's Friday, Monday. Super gap down yesterday. Bounce all the way up, and we pretty much have closed the gap plus some on the daily level. I would expect that that is the high, especially with this right here. This is the 20-day EMA bearing down on us from above. MA, 5 MA. That's the trader. The 5 MA is the day trader level. I hear from my TPT folks. So I think 740 might cap us on the SPY. Not that I'm looking to take a short. I've had a really good day so far. I'm up 558 on, this is a FundedSeat account that we passed yesterday on stream. Oil, I'm just gonna flip over. Oil is not on my chart. All right, UVXY, HP, where's my HP? HP 35, even. We were rejecting from, that's where I took all my longs, was on this 35 rejection on the old HP rejection. Here is proof. There's the rocket scooter level. 35, a little bit of a cluster actually. Interesting, it updated the half gap. 35.05 half gap. Check that shit out. That was a double confluence on this rejection. 35.05. Glad that I took those longs, but confluence is not exactly there for me right now. We are chilling on the rips level and previous week mid. NVDA got to pre-market high after giving it a dump all the way down to monthly hedge pressure, which was also yesterday's close, incidentally. This is today, Wednesday, May the 20th. Oh, it's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Brian. Oh, look at that, pushing above the rips level. Check that out. There it is. Check it out, man. Very algorithmic on this buy. Just level to level to level. What's the next level up, I guess, would be the next question. That would be 301.75. Presumably we're through one level, we go to the next level. Maybe a retest of the 260, 301.75. These are courtesy of the one and only Rips. Follow him on X. Definitely follow him on Instagram. That's where these levels get posted. All right, here is your 62.75 testing the rips level. VIX getting a little spicy though. This is why I did not want to go for this little move right here. VIX getting spicy, NVIDIA getting toppy. This is the NVIDIA earnings report day. 230 all-time highs. Nope, 240 all-time highs. All-time high, 237.70. I reckon. Yep. 230, we'll call it 237. all-time high NVDA. Now, clearly we're well below that, but they've built in, you know, about $10 of movement for the potential earnings report. Now, what did it do to the downside recently? Because it's been pretty pumpy. To the downside, we went, we could go all the way down to like 214 or to 200. Not real. I guess we did kind of survive this 200 test, sorta. But I could see us filling the gap down to the 211 maybe, if the earnings are bad. Fill multiple gaps to 211. That would actually be a great spot to long, is off that 210 support. So that's NVIDIA for you. Now, oil is a little bit interesting today. We did get some rumors of a peace deal in Iran. Oil dumped off of that news. Oh, that's the daily. No. Let me show you today's dump. 5 minute. There it is. It's a little less dumpy than that. But we dumped right from the 200-day EMA. So cool. All the way down. That's a $2.50 dumperoo. VIX still pumping. We're now resisting from the rips level and previous week mid. That is a trade that I'm glad I didn't take. Was that 62.75 retest. Now, this does still feel algorithmic. Remember, we did a big drop, and then we supported, and then we went up. Supported in the middle of the range at that. I wonder if we're gonna get another one. Wonder if we got a line here that's actually G-dash. It's a theoretical level until proven otherwise. We'll see. I don't know if you guys can even see that on the stream. Nope, you can't. Nope, there they are. There they are. All right. Not looking to be a hero here and lose all my green like is my style. I do see the UVXY rejection. We're just setting up kind of a bear flag, bull flag. It's kind of in the middle of the range. Mid-range flag. Indecisive, I would call this VIX act. VIX Prime, meanwhile, is green on the 5-minute testing an EMA. Break above 1785 on the VIX Prime would definitely have my attention. Do not look for any more long. 1785. 1793 is our pivot. Let me just double check that. Thanks to AJ, who posts these publicly. States them all the time. The architect, you subscribe to him on Twitter, you get to have these written down, okay? I believe he shared it was again 17. Yeah, 1792. Same spot. So no new information on the VIX Prime pivot. There's a rejection here. Let's see if the market gets a bounce, but I reckon this might just be a little bit of a sucker's bet here. I don't think we're gonna get a huge extension on our daily range on the NASDAQ. So all we've done is filled our gap and gone back to the middle. Here is our whole range of this whole like hoppiness, where we need to test this breakout at 28,749. Let's just take a look at between, this is the all-time high sort of movement, all the way back to 749. I'll take it even back to 500, 28,500. That's really the huge breakout from. So that was 1,277 bar, 4%. All right, so we need to look up 2.13%. Okay, 2.13% would take us to 29,148. So we are technically above the midway point of the test of this breakout. So far, it appears to be holding and holding pretty well. Gaps have been filled from the overnight. Was our close. Up. Anyways, confusing. Regardless, let's clean this shit up for you guys. Welcome to Trading for All Audiences, by the way. If I haven't welcomed you yet, my bad. Just back to the 5-minute. So I'm not looking to be a hero. See, this resistance from the 62 level, it's very strong. UVXY is getting ideas. I don't trust it one bit. Now, the UVXY and the VIX both measure volatility, but they don't measure the same volatility. What's the difference between the two? No one knows. I consider the UVXY more of a short-term volatility indicator. Like when it starts to dump, VIX will sometimes follow like 5 minutes later. Here's VIX reclaiming that EMA. I told you it could bounce. It reclaimed it. Boop. The VIX prime bouncing while there's red here is not a direct correlation, but it definitely is telling me that this is for sure resistancy until we get another move down. This move down was excellent. That was this big candle over here. So, oil getting a little poppy there, but notice the 50 level. 100 level is critical. Obviously, it's holding above. We're still in a skirmishy situation in the Middle East. Oh, I gotta point out, wearing my favorite shirt. I found it. It was stuck in a pool bag from last summer or even maybe the summer before. Oh my God, Lords of the Trident. I love this shirt because it's my death metal kitty. It's a black cat on a hill of bones, fish bones. She is a heavy metal cat. Okay, now I'm seeing oil staying below the 150 level and riding its own EMA down. That could just be algorithmically unwinding, which would then explain our algorithmic walk up of the market. I gotta make sure. Camera. A lot of space over here. We're still learning here, guys. Do with this. Oh, I did want to point out, new logo. Uh-oh. Let's Boop. Boop. And new logo. We're trading for all audiences. I renewed my Photoshop subscription. All right, trading for all audiences. Welcome to trading for all audiences. It's a weird name. Don't overthink it. That logo is going to evolve, just so you know. It's not perfect. I'm looking at it. I'm judging it now that I'm seeing it on stream. It's like, oh yeah. At least it says trading now. The generic for all audiences. VIX getting a random rejection on the 5 minute. Remember, we just reclaimed both of these, and that's why you're seeing bounciness from our EMA. Everybody's writing their EMAs. Pretty simple, but still say resisty from the 260. 260 resisty. Let's just do a quick review of my disastrous Ninja Trader Arena Cup yesterday. As long as we got a little bit of downtime at this resistance level, let's check out yesterday's action. A total like inverse V, or even like a lightning bolt. So to be clear, I longed here to here, made $1,000. Shorted from here, shorted from the 960s. Lost $1,000. Closed out at the top. Shorted again. Got like $300. Longed off of the 29,000 and got smoked the rest of the day. The irony is, if I had just left my original short on, which was from the same level, I just flipped. It was either here or here. Would have advanced. But there goes to show, you cannot manufacture the price action that you want. I thought I was trading smart just by just 3 micros. What's the damage that can be done? But what I did is I bag held, and then I just dumped it at the worst possible moment. I know who could have anticipated that like a huge bullish day would reverse like that. I mean, clearly it would have helped me, but I couldn't. I was wrong on my timing. So I think the takeaway from that experience was probably don't bag hold even in competitions. Quick profits are the key here. Although for the record, I did take Matt's advice to just long and leave it. Didn't work so good. Okay, definitely still resisty up here until we get some other kind of catalyst. So what I mean by a catalyst is a news headline, a volatility spike, or a volatility dump. Currently, everything is above its EMAs. Everything is holding EMAs. Oil's a little bit below its EMAs. Let's flip this to the 5. You can really get a sense of like, this is confusing. Key levels are holding. This is the prior day open. And daily open. Interesting. So the volatility's been pinned pretty much since yesterday. I mean, we've had the same VIX pivot, 1793, 1792-ish. Had the same VIX pivot for 4 or 5 days. Oil taking a little bit of a downturn, but that 100 level is going to hold strong here, and I think that's what's going to stall us. Here's some great chill jam. Love this. This is technically just a big bull flag, I guess. You come back down to 31, you could potentially like justify a long. If we truly are just algorithmically basing and jumping and basing and jumping. But in my opinion, okay, so we got oil on the radar. Let's go back to the NVIDIA chart, because today is NVIDIA day after all. We are pressing. If NVIDIA breaks out, let's look for some daily levels that we can go find. Here's the 30-minute chart. Ooh, not much there, guys. This was a huge sell-off. We could potentially go to 226.25. Get another $1 of upside in NVIDIA, is my opinion. Not financial advice. Another $1 of upside in NVIDIA. Bit of a hanging man off of a double level. Caution here. You really hope NVIDIA saves the day. NVIDIA turns red, this thing's gonna dump. Uh-oh, there's a red candle in NVIDIA. You better not lose that pre-market high, 225 evens. Awaits. This music is putting me to sleep. Let's find something more fun. It's so good. It's so good. Shout out to Stomp. Oh, there's the catalyst that I was talking about. Look at the oil dumping. Look at the NVIDIA pop. That's some news. That's a news candle, you guys. There is the catalyst. There's the catalyst. Hope you were long. That's got to be the peace deal. That's got to be the Iran peace deal. Huge candle up. I was not in a trade. I told you we would need a catalyst, and there it is. Oh, but oil got to bounce. Wait, that's Colgate. God damn it. Okay, oil. Huge dump. Kind of want to chase here. That's got to be the peace deal. UVXY crushing. Crushing. We just jumped up. We just jumped up 200 points. I was telling you not to take the long, and I was wrong. 100 points up now. You got about 130 on the trade if you were swift. Oil at 97. I am withholding any chase. I'm green on the day. I'm not trying to fuck up my day. Trump says we're in the final stages of negotiation with Iran. Okay. There goes oil again. All right. I jumped in. I just said I was not trying to fuck up my day. It's just a baby chase with profits. If we want to see continuation downside on oil below 97. Okay, 97.50 oil, watching that level. Retail starting to learn that the war might be over. Are we gonna go bag retail like me, or are we gonna have retail buy us up? We selling the news? Oil 98. long from the rips level. Definitely not a great trade to chase. Oh, wow. There comes the sell. I like the buy up though. I like the buy up. I'm longing some more from the rips level that we just reclaimed. Are we just gonna fade the news the whole day? Almost to entry here. Oh man. Holding that rips level. Let's go. We're at our entry. Rejecting from entry. Not a good look. Not a good look. Oil shorters getting on board or no? 85 on oil. Back to entry. Trying to resist to add. I think we're gonna pop. Oh, green for a second. Brutal. Come on, let's get the pop. Let's get the pop. All right, took out a few. Stop losses in and profit. Get that real pop. I want more. That oil bounce is not attractive. Alright, I don't want more. They're trying to sell it back down. This was just a chase after all. I'm not looking to set the world on fire. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Up to the high. Up to the high. Up to the high. I want to go to that high. I want to get to the top of the high, up to 400. Now, was this a FOMO chase? It was. Was this technically a little bit of a loss? At first, it was. Wow. Okay, they're trying to push it down. We're watching the VIX. We don't want it to reclaim the prior day low. We want it to reject off the prior day low. Dang. There we go. That's the rejection I wanted to see on the VIX. UVXY. Oil get back down. Oil give me a red candle there. Yeah. I stay under the 99 on oil as well. Good on the oil. I like it staying under 99. That's good for the continuation trade. I want to see oil put in a bounce here on the 98.50 range. All right, I'm going to take off one more right there as we get to the top of this wick. That's just a defensive profit taking. My stop down a little bit. I think this rips level has actually got good potential to hold. It has an EMA with it. Sort of like came back. We went up to from 260 to 390, which is 130 points. That is going to be 65. So came back down halfway. I think this is a good entry. I'm going to hold it. Still low-key music vibes. Got a little stressful there. Look at that. Would have been stopped out, but the rips level held. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Rips level's holding. Didn't get stopped. Didn't get stopped. We're under 99 on oil. Watching that level closely. Moving my stop a little closer to that rips level. We're not going to lose too much on this one. Still under 99 on oil. There we go. Good red on oil. We're holding the rips level. Holding the rips level. Almost got stopped out in that candle. Holding the rips level. UVXY at the prior day low. Oil at 99. We see double rejection from UVXY and oil. There we go. There we go. It will pop us up. I want to see a double rejection. I want to see a rejection here, and I want to see a rejection here. And it'll pop us up here to 54, which really should be my take profit. Oil above 99. Level again. There's an oil rejection look. Stay below 99.50. A bit of a morning star reversal. VIX is now pressing. Still below the pre-market low. Morning star reversal look on the VIX though. Oil 99.50 tap. Rips level tap. Can't be a coincidence. Can't be a coincidence. There we go. Nice bounce. Okay, stop is down at the bottom of that wick. $22. Above the rips level with an EMA support. If we do continue the algorithmic staircase up, then this will be a decent buy. If we are going to continue downside and the long is dead, then this will not hold. Stop down. Prepare to re-enter if it reclaims. Yep, there it is. That's the reclaim. It was just a stop, a little stop run. Oh no, they're running more stops. I'm watching the top wick on the VIX. Watching that top wick on the VIX. Oil, come on, don't be like that. Pushing up on oil. There's the 99, 100 level. Do the 100 test. Rejection there would be swell. Okay. Green. Oh, and now we're rejecting the rips level. Rejecting the rips level from below. Not great. Not great. Not great. We're above it. We're above it. We're above it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. I'm going to get out of the few. Just in profit there. One more still to go. Hold that rips level, baby. There we go. There we go. Those are good takeouts on the first 4. Green trade. Like the top wick on the VIX, I do not like oil getting above 100. Oil above 100 resets my thesis here. Now I am going to wiggle my stop a little bit, which is what I'm doing, but check this out over here. There's a confluence setting up over here from 74 to 62. 62. I'm going to use the next rips level as my stop on this, guys. There's the top wick VIX, rejection VIX. Nice, gotta get a rejection oil. Little rejectee on oil, but not a lot of follow through the downside. Don't want to see VIX bounce there. 84 oil. Okay, there's the downside on the VIX. I added at my entry. I just added size, so now I've got 3 micros. Nice pop so far. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yep. Yep. Out of 1 on the rips level tap. Stop going to break even. Oh, good stop out. All right, still a green trade. We made like 13 bucks on that. I will re-enter. I'm watching that VIX gapping down action. What's going on there, huh? What's that about? What's that about? All right, I'm back in. I'm back in. When the UVXY gaps down, that catches my attention. I want to see if we can get a huge run like that. Boom, out of 1. Stop at break even. Boom, through the rips level. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. There it is. When the VIX gaps down, we go long. That's how that works. There we go. There we go. I like the extension. I like the extension. Let's get through all these stupid sellers. Let's get through all the stupid sellers, and we're going back to the top, baby. Nice rejection off 100 oil. Ah! Man! Hold that rips level. That sell was a little surprising. We're holding the level, but it's not looking great. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oil to the downside. VIX to the downside. Market go up. And the market goes up. And it stays there. Well above the rips level, hitting a little bit of resistance in the 20s. I want to go to 50s though. There it is. There it is. All right. Seeing a little bit of bottoming action on the VIX Prime. I'm gonna take my profit there. That's a $50 trade. Taking my profit. I want to send it to the top 2, you guys. I do, but it's looking like we're hitting resistance while the VIX is picking up. And oil rejected, but it didn't reject that hard. It held 99. UVXY with a bottom wick too. It's gonna fill its gap, and then we're gonna see what happens. There we go. Nice takeout. Looks like it's kind of curling down in the 1 minute. Should buy the tap of this rips level. Does have an EMA on it. Go to the downside, VIX to the downside. All right, I grabbed it on the tap. I'm gonna just stop, put my stop at break even. Stopped out. It was a weird entry. I didn't love the entry. Oh. 16. And downside. 9 bounce on oil. Watch out. Oil bounce plus VIX bounce equals a huge knife on them. Oil at 99. Watch a 99 bounce. Yep. Yep. I tell you, watch out for those 99 bounce on oil. It could drop us. We're just riding the 2-minute 8 EMA to the north side at the moment. Really, this was just a consolidation to let the EMAs catch up. I still like it from 86 more than from 300. Here's the move. We were on the right side of the move. We just got stopped out in profit. Being green on the UVXY. I'm very cautious here for a VIX and or oil bounce support. There's that 99 break on oil. And bounce on oil. Caution. Caution! Okay, oil 99 break looks pretty good this time. It's pretty real. Nope. Bounced again. A little bit of a battle at 99. Market is inching. Is front running the 99 break on oil. On the middle of the range here. VIX bounce. My fingers on the trigger. I don't want to do anything up here. I mean, I do want to long it, of course, but I will not be. Check this out now. All right, look over here. We get this pullback now to this 301 right around the time the 20 EMA is sneaking up. That is your long entry with a 40 point stop. Of course, we have to trace back a little first, and it's just not happening. Well, I'm gonna try and figure out. This is my AlphaFutures. I want to start trading. Active info. How do I trade on AlphaTrader? It's very confusing. Where does one trade? Trader. Analysis trade. Launch AlphaTrader. Launch AlphaTrader. All right, logging in. This is a new eval thanks to the AlphaTrader 50% off sale, huge sale on an account that has a $15,000 payout cap. Now, the eval is harder. 2 days to pass, 50% consistency, $4,000 profit target. Trickiness. Maximum loss limit of only $1750. So, tough. All right. Let me in. Let me in. How do I log in? Holding the 8 EMA to the north side, even while oil and VIX bounce. Strong market. I'm not chasing anymore, though. I learned my lesson. Oh, baby, we are in. Okay, I agree to the terms, but of course I do, as if I had a choice. I agree to the terms. I agree to the terms. I agree to the terms. We are riding the 8 EMA to the north side. I want 301 with a 20 EMA chaser. May not get it. That's okay. All right, exchanges. Yes, I agree to these terms. I agree to these terms. There's a lot of things to agree to. ICE subscriber. What does that even mean? Document agreed. Complete and continue. Ooh. Ooh. Cool. Okay. Okay. Welcome to the Alpha Trader platform, y'all. Boop. It looks just like TopStep. I was told that it's a lot like the TopStep trading experience. Let's see what we got over here. I want... Oh. The fact that they don't label these... Where's my E-mini? Micro? What? Oh my, oh my, oh my. Mini NASDAQ? Is that NQ? Okay. I can't favorite it? It's confusing. There's a lot of things to look at over here. Dom order two DOMs. Mini NASDAQ. MNQ. Micro. MNQ. Why does it keep going back to ES? MNQ. MNQ. That's what I want. Go away. Go away. Go away. Okay, okay. Two trading. Okay, that's helpful. I don't love seeing the DOM on there. All right. We're in. We're in. There's our level tap at 300. We didn't quite have the EMA. But all right, I'm in on 2 micros.
Order fill.
Where's my position on the MNQ? I don't understand. I think we're going up.
Order
It
fill.
was minis. Fuck me. Okay, whoops. So the DOM doesn't necessarily match the chart. Good to know. Good to know. I want the micros, please. Give me the micros, not the minis. Micro. Micro. That was 1 micro. Right? Right? I want... That was a... Accounts, positions. Okay, orders. I bought 2 NQs. All right, at 06. And I sold at 14. Well, that was a good trade. Okay. Well, we're up 290 on the AlphaFutures eval. This is an AlphaFutures advanced account. Favorite of my man Rips. Okay, now micros, please. Can I make sure we're in the micros? I want 1 micro. Okay, seeing oil back at 99. Let's see if it breaks below. It's below 99. I like the top wick on the VIX too. I want to buy 1 micro to chase.
Order filled.
1 micro. Am I in? Am I in 1 micro? No, that's a fucking mini. Why do you keep buying me minis? I'm trying to chase here, not backpack, man. Man. It's a little buggy. I can't buy my micros here. Nice rejection on VIX Prime. Holding this for right now. Is that what it is? Okay. Oh shit, the VIX bounced.
Order filled.
There. Now, okay. Am I in 2? What's my position? I'm in 2. Okay. 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 Nice push. Almost green on the position. Hard to see, hard to see. Okay, I'm out. I'm flat, I'm flat, I'm flat on that pump. What the fuck is going on with this platform? We're up $400, but what the fuck is going on? I want to buy a micro. I want to buy a micro, not a mini. Not a mini, a micro. It's only buying me minis. What is going on with this? E-mini micro, MNQ. MNQ, micro, MNQ. And this chart is like not even updating. Okay, quick refresh. 410 P&L. Okay. MNQ, MNQ, MNQ. I don't want to fuck it up. There's the 99 rejection from oil. Now, this 300 level right here, so attractive. I'm so horny for this level right here. I'm so hot for that level. Ready, we would say back in the day. I'm so ready for that 300 tap now, even with a mini. Trade arrows on a 1 minute. Now, if I switch to the NQ, E mini NASDAQ 100. Okay, so that's the chart that we were on. I want to be on the micros though. Here, let's try it if we put an order on the chart. We do a like a buy limit. Buy
order
one.
filled.
What? All right, at least it's a fucking micro, but what? It was way up there. I was just putting it there to see, man. This, come on. All right, I guess that's how we do it. Nice push up. Okay. Can I put in a stop loss? There it is. There's a stop loss. Cool. Okay, so it's kind of like TopStep. It's not, but it's kind of like it. Confirm. Loss price. Yep. Yep. Oh, wait. Definitely not getting the continuation on the micro. Whoa. Moving it. 320. Let's go ahead and move it all the way down to 300. That's where we're going to fucking be buying anyways. Okay, we're testing this little flag right here. Try to buy one more.
Order filled.
I got it! All right! We're in! Woo! Okay, so at least we're getting the right amounts of the right contracts on the right chart. Things are finally hooking up here on Alpha. I love that. Where's that?
Order filled.
Out of one! And stop at break even? No, no TP. Fuck you, TP. I don't understand. I don't understand. Where's the stop loss? Stop loss? Okay. Okay. Now, how do I confirm? Confirm. Now I want to move it up. Confirm. All right. Stop is in profits. That's how you do it. Go. Oh, I hate that. Ah! I closed my DOM. I closed my DOM. No! I'm going to just flatten. Oh, I fucked up the chart. No bracket. I don't care about brackets. Go away. Go away. We made $13 on that trade, but we are at the rips level. I need my DOM back. Fuck. What did I? How do I? Wait, layouts. Huh. Okay. Default layout. Okay. Okay. There we go. Back to the MNQ. Are we? There's the DOM. I have no positions on. Very good. Very good. Okay. We're getting there. It's a new platform. We're learning it. We're figuring it out. Also aware that AlphaFutures does love to watch your performance over the lifetime of your account. Just in case you're awesome at this. Pretty seriously rejecting the 99 on oil. You can see continuation here, but I'm not going to take it because we are at this rips level right here. I missed my 300 entry. It didn't ever materialize. There's the 350s that I wanted initially. That was the number I wanted in my initial long in my funded seat. That's okay. Wow, big pop. Big papa. Big papa. Resisty. Yep. Rips level says no thank you. Okay. We touched the level, rejected it, and now we look to be wanting it. We want to take it. Want to claim it. So, how does one play the rips levels when we're at the high? I reckon we just watch. This is not one to play. In all honesty, I don't have a great trade from here. The profit that I have was pretty much accidental. You know, obviously they were winning trades and I held them and I exited them at all the right times. But I did not really understand the platform, so certainly not going to chase along into resistance. Or am I? I'm gonna wait for a better dip. I don't want to just chase it. There's an oil bounce. Careful there if you're long. Again, we are at resistance. Careful. I know. Getting spicy here. There's the oil bounce, reclaiming 99. Yep. It was resistance. It was not a long to chase. Ah, that's how it's done. All rather, that's how it's not done. You don't have to take every trade that looks you in the face. You don't have to take every girl home. You gotta find the right girl to take home, or at least to hold for 10 to 15 seconds until you get to profit. All right, it's a good drop there. We're down to the EMA. We only have about 15 points, 20 points between here and the resistance level. Not taking it. Not worth it. Oil above 99. Nice pop off the 33. Could have taken it. Oil's testing its EMA. VIX, plenty of green candles on the 5. It does seem like volatility wants to make a move here, so I'm going to be cautious. Damn! Fuck that. Wow. Okay, never mind. Bye. Milk said that all the dips were going to get popped, but I didn't think it was going to be on the damn 1-minute chart. Thought we'd at least get a little bit lower. This is just the algorithmic sort of like stair-steppy look that we looked at on the other charts. Stair-steppy. Now, this news candle makes it a little sus, but we have a little bit of an SR event happening here. Let's get a ray. Give me a ray. I love a horizontal. Nope, horizontal ray. Why would you ever need a vertical line on a horizontal chart? It's just. Here is our SR pivot for this move. Boom. Drag it all the way over there. So we hold the 34. You could argue that we're going to definitely pop above the RIPS level, but here is, you know what? Let's go ahead and put that on there. It's at 54.25. Pretty resisty, I'd say. 54.25. So we're inside this little box right here, and this is a 20-point box. Not very actionable, in my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, watching oil here, got a pretty interesting pop and drop. Still holding under the 99.50, but getting a bounce off of its 2-minute EMAs. Excuse me, 1-minute EMAs. Switch that to the 2-minute. Yeah, okay. Okay, much more interesting on the 2-minute. Let's switch it over. We are watching closely here on that 99.50 rejection, and so we lost 100 again. That was a great long entry. I guess that's when I was fucking around with this alpha account. VIX looking supportive. We're back to resistance. Saying. Good push. Nice dump on oil. Is that going to push you above the 54 level? Nice dump on oil. Back below 99. That was another rejection candle there on the 2-minute. That's why we watch the 2-minute, guys. It's where all the action happens, in my humble opinion, not financial advice. Tempted to buy. I'm going to buy it over here. Make sure I get the right fucking contract. Yeah, see, we're still resisting from 54. I don't want to chase it. Even though I like this. I do not like this. No confluence on the trade. Not going to take it. Back down to my hypothetical SR pivot. Let's see if it gets a bounce or if we fall through. Hypothetical pivot. No! Whoa! Hey! Oil doing stuff. Top wick though. Okay. VIX popped. Dropped. I'm in 1 micro. I think that was a fake candle. It's a fake news. It's fake news. I'm calling it. I'm in another micro. Look at the bounce though off of the RIPS level. That was a 300 tap that I wanted. I was just not really paying attention on this chart. You gotta mark up my charts on the right way. Okay, 313. Come back to 300 if you want to. I don't mind. That's the trade that I wanted all along. I will long even further. I will long it even harder. There we go. There we go. There we go. Love that top wick on the VIX. Oil did not get back under 99 though. Still under 99.50. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stop loss. No TP. Stop loss. Stop loss. You sons of bitches. It's not seamless. It's not a seamless experience yet. I'm out of 1 in profit. I think it was profit. I don't know. Orders. Yeah. Bought it at 24. Sold it at 26.50. You're welcome, America. Okay, we are rejecting from the rips level. That's where I took my profit. Did my stop loss go away when I did that? Stop loss. Stop loss break even. Oy. Oil's getting weird, you guys. Weirdness on oil. We're up $13. There's a nice rejection on oil. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's get back above the pivot. Above the pivot. Come on, I want to stay above this SR pivot. Thesis is alive. The thesis is... Oh no, we're resisting it now. Oh no, we're resisting it now. Come on, pivot. Less fun on this kind of account, but that's okay. Okay, up $33. There's a pop above pivot. Thesis lives on. No, we're resisting it. I'm going to take my profit there. We're out. We're out. We're flat. We're flat. We're flat. We're flat. Flash and all. Flash and all. It was a good exit. It was a good exit. We're flat. Okay, that brings our profit on the day to $447.10. We're just on micros here. I'm still learning the platform. Oh, check out that bounce. Interesting. Very interesting. 99.02. 99 holding on oil. A dip below 99 gets me long. Long and strong, baby. 300 still really the level that I want. Holding 99 on the oil, the thesis is not alive at the moment. Pivot is pivoting, but not in our direction at this moment. Okay, 99. Okay, there, I'm long.
Order filled.
Was it the right? It was the right contract. All right, we got it right. I don't love how it gives me the micro machine fill. Get me above my pivot. Pivot. Just on an even. I'm not worried. Oh, see, resisty from the pivot now. I like that we're under the 99 on oil. Whoa, VIX Prime got a little bit of a pop above the prior day low. Was that a VIX sweep that we're now going to dump off of? No, I'm long again. That got filled at 27.75. That was a terrible fill. Okay, watching VIX, watching oil. VIX needs to really reject here. It's because Trump is talking, I'm hearing. Okay, green on the ad. Cool. Get back above my pivot. Okay, 98, 88 on oil. Oh, the pivot rejected us. Okay, we're back down to that 20 EMA. I like it here for a bounce. First tap of the 20. Well, actually, we've had multiple taps of the 20. And a hanging man off of the last EMA. But that's okay. We're going to get even and we're going to get out of here. Okay, VIX. Watching real close on the VIX here. Does not like whatever Trump is saying. Or maybe it likes it too much. The market does not like. 300 is the level I really wanted to be long from. Still got a bounce.
Order fill.
I
Order
got
fill.
back in 2 more here. Again, 300 is really the level I'm watching. Pretty big sell here. Oil not reacting though. VIX is, oil is not. I think this is not really that real. I think this is Trump just futzing around on the mic.
Order fill.
Okay, there's my 300.
Order fill. Order fill.
Told you I'd get super long off the 300 tap. Cost base is 314. We're at 310. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, push. Come on, push. Come on, push. There's the oil rejection. Very good. Need VIX to do the same. There we go. We're green. We're green. Very green. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta get my takeouts in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't wake us down. Don't wake us down. There we go. All right.
Order fill.
I'm
Order
out of
fill.
2. Out of 2. Out of 3.
Order fill.
Out of 4.
Order fill. Order fill. Order fill.
Out of several more. I
Order
don't
fill.
even
Order
know
fill.
how many I had. All my ads are still there. Okay, we're up. Stop is in and profit. Really nice bounce off of our final ad. 320 looking good. I'm gonna take one out there as we enter. Oh, I only had one? It's confusing. Oil's getting a bounce off of its. This is the daily open. Monday's low. Interesting. Holding the Monday low on oil at 98.65. Definitely noteworthy. I'm not going to chase any more longs right here. Although that 300 bounce was so sweet for 20 points. Okay. A little bit of a EMA dance over here. You could theoretically chase along on the EMA tap at 18. Getting the bounce off 18 at the moment, but that VIX is vexing. It's a vexing VIX. There's the red on the VIX that you like to see. Oil is back to the Monday low. Will it break? Oh, below Monday low. I'm long 2. Don't bounce! I'm long 4. I want to see oil really carve below Monday's low. Not give me a mega bounce. Okay, we need continuation downside on VIX and on oil. That's the thesis of this trade. Oil's got a big bounce off the Monday low. Oh no! 58, 57. Let's go, baby. We're almost green. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, we're green. Sellers are here. Go, oil, go. That's our thesis. Thesis is alive. Not great. It's not great. Okay, there's the VIX rejection that we needed. Oil got to stay below that level and we're going to be good to go. There's oil carving lower like I wanted. VIX, gotta give it up. Gotta give it up. Give it up. VIX not giving it up. Okay, that's just an oil little bounce and test of the Monday low. Let's see if it reclaims. I added on the oil bounce. I added again on the oil bounce. Oh boy, we're catching a knife here. Back to the 300. I'll mega long it again at 300. Oh, oil reclaiming the Monday low. Oil reclaiming Monday's low. Wanted to see it reject.
Order fill. Order fill.
Back to my 300 level.
Order filled. Order filled.
Big old fucking sell candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
The 300 level that I want to bounce off of. Latin button is hard to find. It's not great. Damn it, I closed my fucking DOM again. Ugh. Discard. Close. Okay, we're long 12 micros. Ready to bail out if I need to. Bouncing so far. Probably just go put a stop down there. It's gonna risk all the profit on the day. That's not a big deal. See, that's so confusing. Okay. I like seeing that hold off of the 300 level. Nice press, nice press. Ooh, top wicked off of our entry. Not the best entry when you get top wicked off of it, huh? 12.10. Dump us here. Green. Okay, I like that press. I like that press. I'm gonna. Oh gosh, I got out of a couple. I got out of a couple.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Are we getting stopped out? Confirm. No, wow. So that stop just doesn't work when you put a stop in. Okay, that's not awesome. We're below the rips level. I added one more just in case we get a good bounce. Oil got a bit of a reclaim. Trying to hold the 300. It was just a retest for a short, perhaps. Okay, oil, rejecting, fix, rejecting, market, rejecting.
Order filled.
Somebody's lying. Somebody's lying. Was it just a liquidity sweep? On 7 micros, if you can't see on my chart. Stop losses are not totally working here. Oil reclaim of Monday's lows. There we go. That's the bounce we wanted. Now we need to not reject the 300 level where our entry is. A reclaim would be swell. Keep this candle green. Oh, I rejected our entry. Come on. We got this, guys. We got this. Look at that bounce. Look at that beautiful bounce. Yes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, now just go ahead and put my manual, put a sell stop. Okay, that was a beautiful bottoming candle, but we are longing into a downtrend, so we got to take our profits quick. Now, I do have a stop in with a $4 profit. I think technically those were L's on that one. About 460. We we've reclaimed the 300, but this is a really neat place to go short from, so I'm not going to log too much more on it. I do love that bottoming candle. That's why I'm holding. Yes. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Wonder if I go mini. It does change
Order
the
fill.
chart. Stopped out. Interesting, because that's a really sexy bottoming candle. 300.
Order fill.
All right, I'm long on a mega, on a mini. It's funny, I call it a mega. There we go. There we go. There we go. On the 300 reclaim, oil below the Monday low. Really beautiful bottoming candle here. That's the thesis. Oh, sorry, really beautiful bottoming candle here. Watching oil to hold below the Monday low. There we go. There we go. We're green on the trade-ish. Oh, no. Might be trying to reclaim. Nope, that's pretty bad. Bounce.
Order fill.
I added one down there. Ooh, it's a tight one. It's a tight one. Reclaim VIX bounced. $60 is the next reps level down. Oh boy, we're down 1,000.
Order fill.
3 minis. Starting to base. VIX Prime got a pretty good bounce there. Love to see this candle turn green. There we go. Nice bottom candle if we can confirm it. Can we confirm? Can we confirm? What? Nope. Stops. Stops are in. Or you like that bottoming candle? On. Ooh, not confirming. Seems like it's not confirming that bottom candle.
Order modified.
Interesting. Or modified. Interesting. Like the top wick on the VIX. Turn these up a little bit.
Order modified. Order modified.
There we go. There we go. That's the VIX rejection. Well, do the thing. Damn, look at that. Just more and more red candles. Well pressing. Just got the bounce.
Order modified.
Didn't reject. And that rips level is not good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Almost blew the account on that one. Luckily, it's on sale.
Order rejected.
Order rejected?
Order rejected. Order rejected.
All right, hang on. Did I blow the account? I thought I got 1750 non. Some texts that I need to get to. Messages. There's the bounce that I was waiting for. Oh, big dump there. That would have definitely taken us out. All right, so much for that. Ah, it did blow. It blew. Wait, no, not Trade of 8. Alpha Trader. Active. It says active.
Order rejected.
Alright, interesting. Wow, mega dumping happening here. Back to the 210, maybe. Oil got a big pump there. I'm back here on TopStep X, looking to catch the knife. $99.50, looking at on oil.
Order filled.
Okay. Great entry. Stop moving. Okay, we're green on this trade. That's fun. Caught a good bounce there off nothing in particular. Yeah, weird. We might not have much legs on this. All right, let's get this alpha reset. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna buy another one.
Order filled.
Oh! Somehow we got stopped out on that. Crazy rejection. Look at that oil though. Look at that oil up there on the double top.
Order filled.
Got an EMA and a RIPS level coming up there in the 90s. That's where I'll really go heavy here. that trade. Up is in. Let's see if we can actually get the continuation now. We're back to the rips level, testing from below. Okay. Oil's still doing stuff. Want to see some red come in on oil.
Order filled.
Nope, stopped out. Look at that whippiness, guys. Look at how fast this is fucking moving. I want to get back into an eval. Oh, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Oil pushed, rejected 99.50. I'm long 2 micros now. Tired of getting fucking stopped out. I want to be able to take a profit here and there. Green. Stop is in. Turn this candle green. Don't whip me out again.
Order filled.
Damn it! Terrible fill. It was nowhere near my stop. Come on, TopStep. 99.48, 99.49 on oil. Testing the 99.50. That's big. Oh my. All right, I'm trying to get long at 210. This is our interaction right here. This is our interaction of EMAs and levels. Okay, rips
Order
level
filled.
again. Pretty chill music. Catching the knife with the sweet, sweet sounds of the spa. Nice bounce, nice bounce, nice bounce, nice bounce. Keep it going on the oil rejection. Keep it going. Notice I didn't put a break-even stop on this one because I'm getting sick of it. I'm getting fucking sick of it. Come on. Give me something to work with here on this bounce. Alright, I'm out of 1. That was a profitable one, I think. I don't know where my cost basis is so different. Wait, okay, so I bought one at 24. I went at 12. Oh, damn. Okay, well, didn't realize that I had added on that. Come on. Dude! I'm gonna retest the rips level. Got no squawks going on. I don't know what's happening in the world. So silly. Okay, now the bounce is starting to form. Levels holding along with the prior day high. Great spot to long from here. Oh, methodical just went short. Okay, we're at a 1-to-1 on the trade. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Definitely gonna have a short situation at 260. That's where my take profit is, about 20 more points. Right as we get to this EMA on the next rips level up. Almost stopped out. Almost stopped out. Oil's pushing. VIX starting to push too. I'm gonna go ahead and just big push on oil. I'm gonna take my profit there, 27.50. Now if I see a rejection on oil, I will re-enter it like that.
Order filled.
Now I'm long 2. Man, that was a stupid trade. Could have just sat in the original and just watched the oil top wick form. Fix prime getting some pressure here to the upside. This is really where we want to be long from right here. We're front running it a little bit. Oil really wants above 99.50, but so far keeps rejecting. That's my thesis at the moment. Grips level and EMA support below that we will long from if we get down to this 200. $99.50 rejected on oil. There's the rips level. Bounced. Added one right there on the ripsy level. Let's go. Let's go, Ripsy. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Turn that candle all the way green now. Turn that candle all the way green. There we go. There we go. I'm out of one. I'm out of two. Stop is in profit. Again, I think we get resisty from up there at 47. See what happens now. Oil's trying it again. Damn, damn. Fucking oil. Okay, holding. Mix got to bounce too. Mix prime gapping north side. Okay, good rejection from oil. Got a good bit of that 47. Now it's at 46 and change. There we go. Good rejection oil. Good rejection VIX. Yes. Turn it green. Get me up to 47 and take me out. If you want to fly above that, I will not complain. I will just take my profit. Okay, come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. This is a lunchtime move. Not a lot of force behind it. Okay. Oil is still hanging tough. I'm going to go ahead and take my profit there. That's a $50 profit on that trade. Not here for a long time, here for a good time. Let's get back into my alpha. Okay. Stand by. We're not in. Are we in? Yeah, bounce continuing. We got the 47. Okay. Refresh. 99.50 rejected. UVXY rejecting. This should be a move up. Okay. Not that one. Don't know why it's not going up here. Where's my new account, y'all?
Order rejected.
Reason I can't trade it. Okay. Oil to the downside, VIX to the downside. That's good for the market. Advanced plan. All right, still haven't made my account yet. That's on this note. Let's go over to just flip all of our take profit trader. All our TPTs need a flipping. Need a flipping. Let's flip these bad boys. Oil's hanging tough, you guys. That's why I wanted to get out of there at 47. It made it all the way to 62. Okay, here is TPT, take profit trader. I just need to get flip days in. This is day 4 on my past accounts. I'm gonna take this opportunity to go pee before we switch to a new account. Waiting for this alpha reset to come on board. Alrighty, the RB. I didn't wash my hands. Fight me with my messy hands. Let's triple check on the OBS. No viewer still. How it goes. BRB. Boop. Coughing into the microphone. Yeah, I changed the music. That's what's up. Dad, why do you cough so much? Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Watching this rejection forming, Fixed Prime doesn't seem to be giving us the same love. Over to TPT. Boop. Just got to get a quick flip on here. I do like this gray candle here. That's interesting. Can easily pop from this. Oil got the rejection. VIX could get a bounce off of its own EMAs though. It's a very supportive moment here at the prior day low. Risky place to go long. So we ain't doing it until I see it get back below here. Okay, fixed rejection. Bit of volume coming in on the VIX. Pushing. VIX prime rejected. I see a rejection there on the UDXY. Oil below 99. Alright, I'm long 1 micro. Ooh, little rejection.
Order filled.
Green on, oh, almost green. And I'm out.
Filled.
How do we do? We made $7.50. That's a flip. We're gonna do it again over here. Still waiting on my alpha purchase to show up. A little bit of resistance off this EMA, so I'm not just gonna chase the long. Bend. Oh, weird. Ooh. Says active. Still can't trade it. That's okay. I see the VIX and oil double reject. So I'm gonna get long on this other TPT account. I know we're at the EMA, but I think we get a little bouncy bounce here. Gotta cover the commish. Can't just get a neutral trade. Gotta get a little bit of a green trade. Holding the CMA. Oil trying to put on a bounce there. Back to the Monday low. Really what we need to see. Carve under. They're at entry. Struggling. VIX got a little bouncy here. Alright, I'm out there for a total of $0. God damn it. Oil could get a bounce here, so I'm going to be cautious. Alright, I'm in.
Order filled. Order
250.
filled.
$1.50 profit. Whoa, that's how you flip an account. Alright, let's make sure everything flows. Alright, now, this other take profit, actually, I need to make some money. Are we back? Oh, no. Pumping. Pumpy. Oh, off of our dotted pivot line. Cool. Dotted pivot still holding. Dotted pivot. Oh, that's a rips level below it. Nice confluence there on that line. Oh, this reminds me, I do need to take a trade over here today on my trading view for my, what do you call it, next gen account. That's one more funded account we can fuck with today. Testing the rips level, interesting. And EMA support. Previous month mid. We connected. Oil's heading downside, guys. Big dump on oil. Interesting. Interesting. All right, we're in on the trading view. 98 at oil. See if we get a bounce there. All right, this is going to be a quick one. We are at the RIPS level resistance. Oil is bouncing at 98. This could be a legitimate short. UVXY still basing. Oil above 98. VIX gapping downside. Interesting. Oil held 98. Oil starting to base off of 98. And 98 lost on oil. No, reclaimed. Still heading northward to the RIPS level. It's interesting. Watching for a big bounce from oil, though. Yeah, we'll reclaim a 98 on oil. Watch out for longs. We're under 98 on oil. Yep, there's the 98 bounce. VIX bounce, oil bounce. Look at that sell. We're on the RIPS level. Losing it. Back to my dotted pivot. Oil bounce at 98. That could be the bottom of oil for right now. Okay, we're to the dotted line of support. Will it hold? I like seeing the rejection from oil. That's cool. VIX is pressing. I got in a long. All right, I'm out there on the top of the level with EMA resistance. I don't know how much that is up on it. Okay, so orders. Yeah, that was a good exit. So I bought it at 48. I sold it at 55. Interesting. Okay, oil's getting further pressure below 98. VIX got a rejection. 1776 on VIX Prime. Don't love this trade. We're above 98 again on oil. Let's see if the next gen. All right, that's a pop on the market. Didn't anticipate that. Okay. This is day 4 on this account. $130. I think I need $275 each day. Okay, we're on the MNQ chart here. Not much to look at on it, but this is where I got to trade from. We're up 130 on the day. Holding on the rips level. Oil's getting below its low. There goes oil to the downside. Okay. Out of 1. Stop loss. Now, if I just X that, will it take me out? Oh, stopped out. Didn't confirm it. Damn it. Above the Ripsy level. Got out of 1 in profit. Playing a little resisty from here. Press we wanted to see. Out of 1 more there in profit. It's like $10 at a time. Just gonna move my stop up. I'll sell 1 more in profit. I don't love that bottoming wick on oil. I'm just gonna get out of everything. Close position. Okay. All right, we're still learning how to trade on TradingView. How are we looking now on this? We're still at the Ripsy level. bounce so far. VIX 2. Yeah, no, I don't love what I'm seeing out of oil right here off the 97.33. For some reason, I have a level there. Get a red candle VIX, red candle oil. I can jump back in here. Daily journal. All right, how are we looking now? I lost a little bit. Okay, VIX got the rejection. We are below the RIPS level. Bit of a ominous candle off of the RIPS level, to be honest. Still looking to get long. Right here. Off of this rejection. There it is, there it is. Very good, very good. I'm out of one. That was a $20 profit. Stop loss is in and at break even / in profit. It stopped out. Oh, we did get stopped out. Oh, down we go. Don't see it on the chart yet, but we will. It's either the oil or the VIX. Let's see what happens here. Okay, back to my dotted line. I don't know if I like the long from here, guys. After that rejection off the RIPS level, not seeing oil or VIX doing anything sketchy though. Okay, I'm in 1 micro. I'll add to it as well. As long as everything's trending in the right direction. Nice pop. We're green. Didn't even get to add. And stop loss. Break even confirm. Stop up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Confirm. Wow, my dotted line is holding up. Very good, very good. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out there on this interaction with the EMA and the level. That was a good long off 1 micro. I like it. I like it. Like that exit too, because oil's trying to put in a bounce now. All right, update my journal, please. Okay, we're up 200 on the day in the next gen. Hour to go on my trading day. Look, we're popping through this level. Interesting. Very interesting. Here's the RIPS level. Why I exited. It's a RIPS level plus a daily level. Previous week mid. A reclaim of it could be exciting though. But I see this basing. Might have some resistance from here. And I'm gonna figure out how much I need a day. My trading account. Okay. Okay, our rules. Okay, interesting. Okay, there's a 50K. I mean, do I get to know the rules? The hell are the rules? 98 reclaim on oil. Careful if you're long out there. What are my rules? Okay, minimum days. Do I have to Google this? Here? No. Dashboard. FAQs. There it is. Okay. Sim Life Trader account. Activated. Okay. Password. Account statuses. Application fee. How many trading? Nope. Okay. Consistency for trading. Test rules. Rules for traders. Oh, we're pushing above. Interesting rejection from oil. Very interesting. Was a 98 test and reject on oil. That's got my attention here. Back to the EMAs. Interesting. Red on the VIX. I might get long from the EMA tab. Stop is in. Oops. Stop is in. Confirm. Okay, stop is in at break even. We're gonna just watch how this trade goes. Oh, and I guess we're stopped down. All right, we're still trying to figure out. Oh, there's DLL on this account. I didn't even know that. Don't trade more than the contracts. How to trade, brackets of contracts, DCMA, risk to reward. Yeah, I'm seeing the oil trying to bounce there. I'm still not loving that long. Is he trading? Ticks. Still holding this pivot. With the EMA support, tempted to chase it. See what happens on the oil here. If it truly does stay below 98, this could be bullish for the rest of the way up. And the VIX top wicking there. Down below pivot. Alright, I'm taking it, I'm chasing it after that bounce from the EMA and the level. And I will add to it as well, as long as I don't see oil or VIX doing anything crazy. Added one more on that EMA touch. Not seeing anything crazy yet. Losing the Ripsy pivot. Oil and VIX are both trying to push here. Time for that 98 again. Oil rejected. See if we go up now. Watching out for the EMA and level interaction. We could reject from there. More downside on oil would help us pop above. Testing those EMAs. Damn it, oil's trying to bounce again. VXY chart fucking frozen. It's not. Checking. Rejecting the EMAs now. Holding the dotted pivot. Next one down is pretty far down. Breaking down, I added with our stop loss in towards the bottom of the range and confirm. Hold the dotted line. Dotted line. Let's see what happens. That's a good bounce. Oil rejected there. That's a bounce from the dots. Bounce from the dotted line, baby. Yes. Oh, what a good stop out level. I'm so happy with that. I love it when my plan works. Now we got to get above the EMA that's below our entry. Come on, oil downside, VIX downside. Let's do it. Fucking do it. Green. You're very green. Look out of 3. Trying to bounce. These stupid EMAs, come on now. Above the EMA, please. Please. There we go. There we go. There we go. Above the pivot. Not like that rejection. Little bottomy. Of that bottom wick, turning the candle green. Let's get above the EMA. Please. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Boom. I'm out of 3 at resistance. Woo! And our stop goes to break even. Confirmed. Woo! 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 That's how we do it. That's how we do it. I'm even gonna move my stop up. We lose that EMA. You can stop me out. Be my fucking guest. Be my fucking guest, y'all. Be my fucking guest. Give me above the Ripsy level. Give me above the Ripsy level. There it is. There it is. I'm out on that. Boom. 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 That is how we do it. From one Rips level to the next. What was my exit? What was my exit? What was my exit? Show me. Show me potato salad. We sold at... we sold it at 298. That was not nearly the top, but whatever. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see if it has updated. Where is my trading accounts? Show me my daily trading journal. 318. That's got to count for a trading day. Come on now. How much? Oh, this is that one song that really grinds my gears. Oh, watch out for the oil bouncing. Watch out for oil bouncing, you guys. Let's see if Alpha's back. Oh, boom. Okay, that's our last account of the day to trade with. Booyah. Back to Alpha trading. Let's just confirm. Funded account, no account sharing, news trading, market flipping. Well, in any event, I'm done trading it for a day. I'm up over 300 on the day. Plus 561 plus 430. 430 plus 560 is about 1,000. That's cool. That's cool. We're up 1,200 on the day. 1,200 on jumper. Oil bouncing right here, right now. I have a level at 97.35. I don't know why. It's an old one. It's an oldie. It's an oldie. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna be done trading for today. We do have this one more eval. Here we are. Okay. Do you like the bouncing off of the rips level? Let's go back to our real NQ chart. It has the actual levels on it. 935. Oh, 31, 34. Okay, interesting. Interesting look on the VIX. Oil's holding 97.35. Caution. Back down to the rips levels with EMA
Order fill.
confluence. I got in 1 mini. There we go. Wow. Hello. Hello. We're going to sell stop there. We're going to get close to the flat null because that's the only way to exit out of this bullshit. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Give us a push. Give us a push. Give us a push. There's the push. Come on now. Very good.
Order modified.
We're gonna ride this up. It'll be our last trade of the day,
Order
y'all.
modified.
Let's ride it. Let's ride it. Let's ride it. All right, all right, all right. Look at that oil dump. Get me below 97. Getting ready to take some profits here. If oil gives me a bounce. 97 even on oil. 96, 96 on oil. That's huge. Come on. Don't bounce it. Don't bounce it. Don't bounce it. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Oil got a 97 bounce. Market's still going. That press. I like that press. I'm gonna go ahead and X more rejection, oil more rejection. We're in the trade. We don't need to do anything else. We just have to watch. Got a bounce, but now it's fading.
Order modified.
Nice. Nice failure on the oil bounce. I want to see a secondary bounce off of 97. Moving my stop all the way down to here.
Order modified.
Get above 90. Yes, we popped it. We popped above. We popped above. I'll go ahead and take my
Order fill.
profit there. We're going into this wick on what is kind of a bull flag, bear flag, hard to tell. Good trade though. One contract, $485. The oil reclaim of 97 tells me to be pretty hands off. Maybe down. Yep, right off the Rips level. Thank you, Rips. Okay. Yeah, today is also FOMC Minutes Day. Back to a level. Back to a level.
Order fill.
So I'm taking it off the EMA interactions. EMA interactions. Good, we're green. Oh. Oil's getting a bit of a push. Definitely in the right spot. Green-ish. I like the velocity that we're seeing. That's a good sign. Oil needs to do something red, ideally. Something in red, I think. My trade, I don't know if y'all can see that. Just a little 5 micro dilly. Oil, nice projection off its EMA. Trying to hold.
Order fill.
I added 5 more. I want to see an oil rejection. Yes. Ooh. The seller's hiding up here. Spicy, getting spicy. Back to the Rips level.
Order filled.
I added on the Rips level bounce. I like that bounce. Ooh, immediately rejected. There we go. Here we go. Velocity kicking up. Velocity kicking up. That's great. That's great. That's great. Push it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right. All right. Very good. Very green. Very green through the sellers. I'm out of 5. I'm out of 5 more. And my stop loss is in on the remainder. Bit clunky, but we're good. Get out one more. Got on one more. Whoa, we're stopped out. Did we get tagged in on a short? What happened? Did get tagged in on a short. Son of a. So my stop loss was still there and it tagged me in short. Oil has got a huge bounce. Definitely don't want to stay long there. I'm curious about the short. Maybe the short will work. The accidental short. Boo. bounce now.
Order filled.
I changed. I flipped it. I flipped it long. I flipped it long.
Order filled.
Oil getting a bounce up at CMA. Up 595. That bounce right here. I got out at 86.25 earlier. $50 oil. There's that Ripsy resistance. Now that being said, we break above. Would be cool. Oil trying again. See if it gets a rejection there.
Order filled.
And I got in 5 more. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick pop up. Excellent bounce. Whatever that thing was, my entry was perfect.
Order filled.
Whoa. Bounce got a little weird there.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. We rejected this Ripsy level at 301. 646 on the day. Wow, still bouncy. Still bouncy at the Rips level now. There goes oil. I'm long 10 micros on the oil dumperoo off of its EMA test. Let's get it now. Let's get it now. There it is. There it is. There it is. Push us, push us, push us. Don't wick us. Quick pop up, but I don't love that. Oh, top wiki off of the Ripsy. Mix is getting a little spicy down there. Dang. The 130 liquidity. Let's see where it takes us. Okay. Okay. Oh, back to our entry at least. Ish. Ooh, that oil bottom wick got a little spicy there. Okay, my level is the Rips level now. Let's go claim it. Let's claim it. No! We're not claiming shit. You claim nothing. You resist it. so unfamiliar with this layout that I didn't even like have a chance to get profits out in time. Oh man, we don't want to see that turn red. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Don't dump us. Don't dump us. Like some Jetsons sounds on this track. Gross, gross.
Order filled.
Alright. On again off the EMA tap. Here's the Jetson sounds. Oil is still pressing. Oh, Jesus.
Order filled.
Now oil can reject. It bounced so far. Watching that 20 EMA. Engulf that wick. Don't top wick us off of it. Come on, come on, come on. We engulfed it. Don't wick us down. There we go. That's the oil rejection that I wanted. X prime is diving. X prime is diving. Stop wicking. Kind of resisting our EMAs there. Down, oil down. The oil trying to make its comeback on its EMA. Oh, press, 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 press. Come on now. Let's push. Yes. I'm out of
Order
5,
filled.
10,
Order filled.
15.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
At the
filled.
rips level. I fucking love it. Yeah. Out of
Order filled.
2
Order filled.
more. Yeah. Yeah. Stops are getting put in. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. And I'll go ahead and take off.
Order filled.
Oh, what a press. What a
Order
press.
filled.
I'm out of 1 more. I've got 3. I got 3. I'm putting them under
Order
the rips
modified. Order
level.
modified.
Put them under the rips level.
Order modified.
Take off 1 more in profit. Okay, I see UVXY putting in the bottom wick. I see it. I see it. I see oil bouncing too. I see it all. I see it all. I see it all. I see it all. I'm taking off one more.
Order fill.
Stops are in. Oh, I dropped my phone. Okay. Oh, little spice, little spice, little spice, little spice. I'm gonna go ahead and take off one more and
Order
profit.
fill.
I'm gonna X out of that. No? Just one left. Good takeouts. Holding the rips level is fun. VIX is trying to bottom, but oil is still rejecting, and we're still above the 300 ripsy level. On the rips level, I like that. Oil is trying to get a bounce in. They can send us below. There's the 300 level. Testing. Go below to this EMA right here. Held it. Held the test. Like that top wick off of the oil EMA. Gotta get below 97.50 though. Oh, lost the level. Oh. Held the EMA tap. Might get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Oh, stopped out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Looking for a bounce again off of 83 level, maybe. Little press. Weird. Oil up, market up. Don't understand that. Hands off. Up. Oil up. Stack says higher. Rejecting the rips level at this moment. Claimed. I'm long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Great entry. Stop is in. I sold one
Order
on the
filled.
pop.
Order filled.
Stop that. Velocity coming in. You guys be careful out here. Oil's getting a rejection. So is the market.
Order filled. Order filled.
So weird how those fly in from above. Like, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from, my orders? There it is. That's the bounce we wanted. We're going to sell one, sell two. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, not you.
Order filled.
Out of one. Go away. Nice
Order
exit.
modified.
Interesting candles here. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Gonna be careful out there. Market's trying. So is VIX. So is oil. Look at that oil top candle. Definitely want the next candle to go red for the oil, not for the market.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Back to the ripsy level though. Okay, VIX rejection.
Order
I'm
filled.
long 5. Out of 1.
Order filled.
Out of 2.
Order filled. Order filled.
Out of 3. Stops are in.
Order filled.
Stopped out of 1. Interesting. Moving that stop
Order
up.
modified. Order filled.
Oh, okay. We're up $1,008 on the day. Or are we? Balance and equity in P&L is not matching. It's confusing. Those commissions are pretty serious on AlphaFutures, aren't they? Oil's bouncing, holding its EMAs.
Order filled. Order filled.
Weird, it didn't fill me all at once.
Order filled. Order filled.
Way too zoomed in for this trade. Oh, we don't want to see oil do that. I like that look on oil. It's rejecting from our entry at this moment. Holding that ribs level. Ooh.
Order filled.
Getting one more on the EMA tap. If I press down here, I'm not sure where it's coming from. If we get down to 88, I will add heavy. I want to see it reject off the blue line. It's rejecting off the blue line. Ooh, oil might be about to pop here, guys. Looking for 80s. Get long again from like 80s, 89.
Order filled.
I got 5 right on the dip on 89. Let's see if it holds. Oh, what an ad! Yes, thank you. Wicking off of the EMA. So far, so good. Now we're going to find resistance from the 97 and from the 300. I'm long from 98. Really reject 97 hard. I'm just going to get out of the whole thing. There's 97. Okay, we're at 97s. Oh, nice push. Nice push. Oh, come on. It was a tease. It was a tease of a push. Come on. There's our push. Get above the Ripsy level. All right, we're just going to start selling.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right. Not sure if that was wins or losses, but we'll take it. Got one more long. Rejected the rips level.
Order filled. Order filled.
I got back in off of this EMA, which was pretty exciting the first time. I see oil trying to reject. I also see VIX trying to bottom. There you go. Stop licking. Hear you in here. This whole stream can hear you.
Order filled.
Nice press back to the level and above. I'm going to get
Order
out
filled.
one more. I'm out of 2 out of 3. Stops are getting put in. Nice press. Nice press. Nice top wick on the oil.
Order
I'm out
fill.
of one more. Just got the two now. Whoa, whoa, ooh. A little spicy here below the rips level.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we rejected the rips level. There's a big bottom on the VIX. We're up $1,110. No, we're up $1,000. So we paid $100 in fake commissions on our fake eval. Okay. Okay. Back to that EMA. I don't think I like it anymore though. Watching that oil potential rejection. Does have EMA support though. 262 is really the place to get long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, still just long two. Got my stop in. That's the bounce that we wanted. Oh, rejected though, but it's rejected.
Order filled.
Stopped out on the rest. Fixed rejection from its EMA. Oil trying as well. Hard to long in those top wicks. Down here, 265 is where we were from. Oil starting to base here. Oil rejection. I'm long one mini. Stop is in.
Order filled.
And stopped out. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. A green trade. Watching for the oil 98 rejection. Oil 97, 98. There's 98 rejection.
Order filled.
Along 3 minis from here.
Order filled.
Out of 1.
Order filled.
Out of 2. Stop is in. Oil trying to press. Top wick is down here. It was a good bounce up.
Order filled.
Opt us out. Okay. It was a $100 trade. That's cool. Rough top wick there. Up 1,700 on this eval. Well, 98 tap. 9802, 9803. There's a 98 rejection.
Order filled.
Fuck, are those minis?
Order filled.
The fact that I can't see my fucking position is so harrowing. What is going on? MNQ, please. You could put me in 5 fucking minis on that? Jesus. Micros, come on. I wanted 5 micros. Okay, oil, 98. Rejected. Fix. Press.
Order filled.
And? What are we? Still.
Order filled.
God damn it. Fucking. You keep filling me on minis, you motherfuckers. Ah! Ah! Up 1473. We might call it there. I gotta go make some more tea. Quit filling me on 5 goddamn minis. You're killing me. Still resisting from that level.
Order filled. 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 Order modified.